This is part 4 of the video. This time we learn how to write chemical equation from ionic equation. Ionic equations contain ions. In chemical equation we do not write ions. Instead we just write the ionic compound. There are 3 easy steps you can do to convert ionic equation to chemical equation. 1. Replace ions on the left-hand side with ionic compounds available in the electrolysis. 2. List spectator ions used in the reaction. 3. Add product from spectator ions to the right-hand side of the equation. With example 1 again. In example 1 the reactants available are platinum electrodes, sodium chloride, and water. The ionic equation is 4H plus 4OH minus yields 2H2 gas plus O2 gas. OH minus are ions. To produce chemical equation, we must change these ions into one of the available reactants. In this case we choose H2O. 4H plus and 4OH minus is to be replaced by 4H2O. Is 4H2O yield 2H2 plus O2 plus 2H2O. 2H2O is cancelled from left-hand side and right-hand side. Now the chemical equation is 2H2O yield 2H2 plus O2. 2. The reactants available are platinum electrodes, sodium chloride, and water. The ionic equation is 4H plus 4Cl minus yields H2 gas plus Cl2 gas. And Cl minus are ions. We are not allowed to write ions in chemical equations. These ions must be replaced by one of the available reactants. In this case, H plus is to be replaced by H2O. Cl minus is to be replaced by NaCl. Ions added to the equation are Na plus and OH minus. Hence the NaOH must be added to the product. Equation is 2H2O plus 2Na close yields H2 plus Cl2 plus 2NaOH. The reactants available are platinum electrodes, sodium chloride, but no water. That is because the electrolyte used is molten NaCl. Molten NaCl is not aqueous solution. It does not contain any water. Only 2 ions are available. Na plus and Cl minus. H plus and OH minus are not available. No spectator ions are used in this electrolysis reaction. The ions Na plus and Cl minus is to be replaced by NaCl liquid. The chemical equation is 2NaCl liquid yields 2Na solid plus Cl2 gas. The reactants available are platinum electrode, zinc electrode, sodium chloride, and water. Equation is Zn plus 2H plus yields H2 gas and Zn2 plus. The ions H plus is replaced with H2O. The spectator ion used is 2OH minus. The ion OH minus will react with Zn2 plus to produce ZnOH2. The equation is Zn plus 2H2O yield H2 gas and ZnOH2. In part 4, we learn how to convert ionic equation to chemical equation. This is done by doing 3 easy steps. Step 1. Replace ions on the left-hand side with ionic compound available in the electrolysis. Step 2. List spectator ions used in the reaction. Step 3. Add product from spectator ions to the right-hand side of the equation.